Hola, welcome. Buongiorno. How are you all? Good morning. Okay, so what is going on? Well, we had a day of nothing yesterday. This just whipped and whapped, nicking liquidity everywhere. So not a lot to say. Plans haven't changed a whole bunch. This does look corrective, but it could turn into a motive wave down. You can see we've got something you maybe call this one, and that's a two. You've definitely got one, two, three, four, five here. So this is a possible A, B, and then we get a C here, and this would be one, two, three, four, five. So I like the support we have at 65. We do have a poor low here, and we do have poor lows here. So they're obviously that's a liquidity magnet. Um, we have a very small little single print in here, which could be our rejection point. That's also on the anchored VWAP from up here. But we are getting the weekly VWAP is our support at the moment. So it's a bit of a muddle at the moment. Wednesdays often become that reversal day, and so maybe we do get a little bit of a move down from in here somewhere down here. And that would, I mean, I guess that could be just the rest of the week. It's such a slow week. But generally, I am bullish still, and I'm looking for higher. I don't really get the impression that this is going to suddenly dump down. Let's not forget our. I know I constantly keep reminding you guys that this is where we're at. I was just looking for this to be taken out and come up to this key poor high there. So that's really it. And this would extend obviously possibly up to here into these single prints here, but definitely taking out these poor highs here. So what you could be looking at is this. It's either here or it's here. It could be either or, and then a little stubby C here, which I don't particularly like because it makes the C really, really, really tiny. So let's wait and see. We just need more data, unfortunately. You know what happens when BTC decides to stop? You end up with this constant kind of just chop, which doesn't allow you to get any edge on the market either way. So let's just reduce because this is the green box from yesterday, which we came into. Very nice. So we just need some more data, Captain. I mean, I think basically the very simple way to do it is we ignore everything. If you get that, i.e., we don't get rejected from here, then we're good to go long, right? So you can see we've got this little channel, which let me just redo that because that channel is slipped. There we go. Yeah, so we've got this little channel. So break out above the channel and make this our and make the daily open our support. And I think we continue up. If we get rejected from here, then I suspect we're going to come into here. If that makes sense. Yeah. And there's quite a lot going on in that little space. Let me just open it up for you so you can see that. I'm imagining that's at the 618. Yeah, so this is the 618786 hit. So you really want to see, to get long, you really want to see this grind up, take this high out. Therefore, taking it high out, it invalidates this being any 5-way cover move. And then come back in, show support, and then go. So the issue with this opportunity, as I see it, is that it could continue to range further by doing that. This was 3 down to here. That's 3, and we're going to get that. And that's why I've got this red box up here. Take out this poor high and then come back down. And that's your corrective move. So it's a bit annoying to try and get into a trade here, if I'm really honest with you, because you've got opportunities on both sides of the tape. Let me just have a quick look at what that looks like. Yeah, we're just banging value. I mean, there's nothing here, really isn't. So yeah, look, that's my that is what I'm looking at, and I hope that's going to be helpful to everyone. This would be nice support. Let's see if we get up here. If not, watch for the rejection around here. It's only just 8 o'clock, so we could spike up into here in the next half an hour, and then look for a down move for the rest of the day. Currently, we are still moving from this green box. This is yesterday's green box, okay? Yesterday's green box. So don't look for green. If we come up and come down, we're not looking for this green box, okay? We're looking to come into the second one down here. So that's that. All right, listen, it's short and sweet this morning. I mean, it's August, right? So nothing happens. So let's see if we get a move into our little red box that we can short, or whether we just turn over and we come down here and we can get into a green long here. Otherwise, there's not much else to say, boys and girls. Hopefully you're still long from further down, and so therefore you're watching. I think overall I'm still bullish. I still think we come up here. But I have to recognize also, and I did do this yesterday, is that this looks pretty three wavy, and that this could quite happily just turn into, and let me show you how that happens because it's important. Just take things off here. So what we'd find is that we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that would be some kind of diag, and then you'd be looking for 3 waves back into here, and then you're looking for a big move down. So that's the options that I see. They all involve up and down, and none of them are conclusive. So it's really tough area to look at. However, overall, I look at this and I think this is choppy nonsense, and I think that this will eventually turn over. Whether it turns over at 65 or whether it turns over here, I don't know, but it will definitely. Sorry, I'm more guided towards the upside. Okay. Oh, did I just? I thought I just deleted all my trades. All right. Okay, guys, that's the lot. I will put I'll put the notes, etc., in the Discord as usual, and I'm on X as usual. And have yourselves a nice day, and enjoy your week. And I shall speak to you later on. Cheers. Bye. Lots of love. Taddy byes.